Moming will now come from behind as she serves. Manarang. Berses. This one is deflected. Tudlasan. Manarang this time chooses Garcia from behind. Tudlasan will attempt again. Bumalik sa side ng Arellano. One more hit. Popped up. Berses on the approach. Tracked down by Cagigla. Tudlasan. Yes! And Arellano cuts the lead down to 1.
Arellano, Lady Chiefs are on a roll right now and trying to change the narrative of this set. They got their momentum back.
It is now an 8-1 run for the Lady Chiefs. Main gunners are back for Coach Esteban. Padillon. All of her points coming from attacks. And now, she starts the rally. Rica Blanca takes flight. Tudlasan. Berses will try. One more time for Laika here. Tudlasan ties it up. My goodness.
Despite Moming being in a back row, Laika Tudlasan is also providing points for the team, trying to maintain their momentum, and grabe.
Arellano unleashes a 9-2 run, and from 8 points down earlier, they now are tied with Mapua here in set 4. Tere Manalo is activated.
Point for the Lady Cardinals.
Tere Manalo is the unsung hero for the Lady Cardinals. She may be quiet, but she always surprises us. Yung mga ganyan niya, yung mga tips niya, yung mga quick attacks niya. Lalo na sa mga ganitong klaseng sitwasyon. Kasi hindi siya yung babantayan ng blockers eh.
Yeah.
And great play there by Gavika.
That's Tambasakan serving. Tudlasan goes long. Attack error by Arellano. Costly one. 23-21.
Great power there, but too much power from Laika Tudlasan. And we'll see if they can still catch up.
Pero Mapua in the driver's seat now. Di pa. Tatawid ito. Gavika Tuong. Arellano sets up Tudlasan. Berses denied. De Guzman. Laika again. Breaks it down.
What a redemption from Laika Tudlasan. Bumawi ka agad.
Laika Tudlasan with only one blocker in front of her.
Serving now for the Lady Chiefs.
Took full advantage.
Coach Obet is utilizing yung mga tall players kasi kailangan talaga nila ng malaking blocker because Nicole Ong is in the front line right now.
Ito na yung pantapat niya. Sam Tira-Tira. Maui Magaling is back on the court. Gavika combination. Nasalo at naibalik ni Tira-Tira. Here's the setup. Tudlasan. Tambasakan with the effort. Rebustes with a chance ball. 1-2. Kept alive. Berses. Here we go. Tudlasan. Buhay pa. Gavika Tuong. Tudlasan one more time. Down the line for Laika Tudlasan to tie the match.
Laika Tudlasan is stepping up. And dire-diretso yung putos niya para sa Lady Chiefs. She said it's not over yet.
18 points for Laika Tudlasan. And Arellano with 2 straight points once again. 41st ball. Berses. Laika puts it down, and Arellano is at set point
What a game this game! Grabe, dire-diretso. And alam ng setter na on a roll ngayon si Laika. And she has that trust. Lahat ng set kay Laika. And Laika delivered well.
19 puntos para kay Tudlasan. What a comeback for Arellano University. Gavika, Ong with a soft touch. Tudlasan denied. One more time. Tudlasan is checked again. De Guzman. Teka Blanca saves it. Ong with the push. Laika again. Oh! Arellano completes the comeback in set number 4.
What a comeback for Arellano, changing the game.
What an end to set 4. Laika Tudlasan. Once, twice, thrice in this rally.
This is an upset set for Mapua.
Yeah.
What a game, this game.